it's me again, Jupiter Batman Miller, and as you all know, fidgets are very popular. If you don't know what fidgets are, pause the video and look it up right now. I'll give you an example. They're like, for example, this is a type of fidget, like a pop it. So you just pop. So I'm going to be showing you guys all my fidgets. So first is this, which I just showed you guys. It's my dinosaur poppet. It's very cool. I like to play with it. It's really fun when there's different shapes because your hands move in different selections. And there's one easy side and there's one like this. This look kind of cool. Just watch this. Okay, my next fidget is this very cool shark fidget. It's the coolest fidget I think I have. I just like that fidget spinner really nice. And this is my two little things. I'm gonna try to make them into boxes. And just also figure around with them. Let's see how quick I can make these into boxes. 3, 2, 1. Done with this one. Okay, there we go. I made that one. Okay. Next fidget is, I'm just going to show both of them because they're probably much the same. These two fidgets. This is cool. Wait, guys, this is going to look really cool. You guys should watch this. Do you see all those? Wait. You see all these, you see all these empty fidget slots. Ready? Guys, look, that just popped up. That one popped up. That one popped up. They're all popping up. And these are my very cool fidgets. These are like kind of my 3 favorite colors. Kind of. My favorite color is orange. This is my very first poppet, my rocket poppet. It's the best. No. Well, it's my first poppet. That's gone. And this is my crab poppet. Really rainbow. Look at that, guys. Look how cool that looks. Let's try to do it again. This looks. I don't want to do that. This is my marble mesh. I don't know. Marble mashup or marble mesh. I don't know. You just obviously there's obviously as you can see there's marble in there, and you just need to like move it around, like squish it and stuff. And this is my cube thing. It's a cube, and it just turns into random shapes like coral, fish, teeth. And next is this thing with the pop. Let's see if I get any. Gee, that's hard. Sometimes these are really hard to pop. That was a hole in it because it broke. And this, oh jeez. Oh jeez. Okay, this is my gamer poppet. You can be like, are you doing doing your homework, and you can be like, yes, and then you can like cut your homework out in a game thing, and then, okay, you're doing your homework in a game thing, and then you can just like put this over and then like be popping over it. Yeah. And watch my other videos, they're really cool. And this is my smallest poppet I have. The one poppet. The one poppet. The one poppet. The one pop it. The one pop it. This poppet only has one. Rare. Okay, next. Oh, too many times. This is my baby elephant. Okay, wow. Pretty. Oh, ow. Actually, that actually didn't hurt. This is my other fidget. Oh, where'd that go? Well, here it is. This is my other fidget. And this is obviously my secret fidget, but I like to play with it. It's like a fidget spinner, but better. No, not but better. And this is my wristband. I'll put this on. No, I don't want to put it. And this is my final one, the whipped cream poppet. This is my whipped cream poppet. I don't, if it's poo or whipped cream. I don't know. I don't know everything about fidgets. I need to get this. Okay, where is it? There it is. Stop. And I don't know if this counts as a fidget. Look it up, guys. I don't know. Whoa. That was good. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe to Jupiter Batman Miller. Bye.